Hello, and welcome to the Beautometry Nail Art channel. Today we're going to be continuing in our nail stamping series, our beginner stamping series, where we're going to be talking about how to stamp, stampers, scrapers, nail plates, and everything in between. So today we're going to be talking all about stampers. There are different kinds of stampers. Some stampers are better for thin lines, some stampers are better for thicker lines. So let's get started. So there's a few different types of stampers on the market. There are the clear stampers. Right here I have the clear jelly stamper Big Bling. As you can see, it has a lid and you can just remove that. And this right here is the stamper head. You also want to remove the bottom part so you can easily just see through to your nail as you're stamping. So I'll just put the lids aside. And this particular stamper is rather large, so if you have larger nails, longer nails as well will work. It's a little squishier, but since it's clear, it is actually a different material than some of the other stampers that I'm going to show you. So we have the original Creative Shop stamper. I just happen to have it in a lid from a drink bottle, and you could see it's pretty malleable there. You're able to squish it down, and it's a little sticky, whereas the clear stamper isn't really necessarily sticky. Now we also have this stamper by Moyu London, which is the Kaleidoscope Stamper and Scraper. Comes in this interesting container. I'm just going to take that out of the package. Comes like this. We have a stamper scraper and then the stamper. And this one also has a lid. You can see this one is a clear stamper, and it is quite smaller than the clear jelly stamper Big Bling, but they are both clear. And the clear jelly stamper is able to, has more bounce to it, more squishy. This one is longer, but you can still see through it if you were trying to place your image on your nails. That's the good thing about the clear stampers, is let's say you want to put some words on your nails. You can usually go ahead, stamp, and then be able to see exactly where you're placing those words on your nails. Now another type of stamper, Moyu London New Rectangular Stamper, and this one is really sticky. Let's see if I can show that. You can see how my finger wants to just wants to stick to my finger. And this one is a rectangle shape, so you can see all the lint sticking to it. This one is very, very squishy. You're able to just really kind of squish it down. So that's a different type of stamper depending. Each of these stampers are going to be used for different types of things, whether it be a different type of image or a different way of applying it to your nails. We also have a stamper here that is actually really hard. It's not really squishy at all, and it is not sticky at all either. So this one has its own, and they all have different techniques as well for stamping the image from the stamper to your nails. And then last but not least, this is the newest stamper that I've been using, and this one is the Fab Your Nails stamper. As you can see, this one is very squishy, and it's also very sticky as well. And this one has its own technique. So just right here you can see there's 6 different stampers. And you might think, oh my goodness, why would I need 6 different stampers? Well, each stamper has a different purpose, a different use, a different technique. With stampers such as the Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling, the Creative Shop Original Stamper and the Creative Shop Galaxy Stamper, you need to roll the stamper across the image on the stamping plate. If you press directly down, it's just not going to pick it up. Some stampers, such as the Fab Your Nails stampers and the MoU London Kaleidoscope stamper, and a lot of the firmer stampers, you have to press down in order to get the image to come off the plate. If you roll the image, it's not going to come off the plate. So there are different techniques between stampers of how to get the image onto the stamper. Another tip, and something that I like to do before I start stamping, is I take a piece of tape and I'm going to go ahead and just clean off this stamper head. I don't use acetone because acetone can actually start eating away at the stamper head. You never want to use acetone on a clear stamper because it will make it go cloudy. So these stamper heads are made from silicone, and you can use regular tape, just like your Scotch tape or what have you, and this is painter's tape. That's also another good option. Some people use a lint roller. Now remember, do not ever use acetone on these stampers because they're going to get cloudied up. These are a different type of material. This is silicone as opposed to rubber. So the acetone is really going to be harsh on the silicone. Well, there you have it. That's pretty much all you need to know about stampers. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or feedback on this series, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.